Hey everyone, I am Shoujan Sapkota. Today, I will show you how to get a domain name for free. Many people think buying a domain is expensive, but using this method, you can get it without paying anything. This method is very useful for beginners, students, or anyone who wants to start a website or blog without spending money in the beginning. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to My Website appears on a screen too. When the website opens, look for the option that says Get Domain for Free and click on it. After clicking the button, you will be redirected to another page where the free domain service is provided. On this page, you need to sign up a new account using your email address and a password. Once the sign up process is complete, log into your account to continue. After logging in, you will see an option to choose your own domain name for your website. Now enter the domain name you want, such as your name, brand name, or business name. If the domain is available, select it and continue. This domain will be free for 1 full year. You can also manage your name server settings very easily. You can add or change name servers to connect your domain with Blogger, WordPress, or any hosting service. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and the like button. Thank you.